Siyakwamukela mbukele endabeni zesiNdebele esikubikela zona bunqopha ukusuka emzimkhulu wendaba eAuckland Park eJohannesburg asiqangule ngezikhamba phambili zanamhlanje.
90% of our successes in the SAPS are crime intelligence driven. So we cannot allow a situation where this particular division experiences instability.
Siphiwe ibhayili yenkulungwane ezilithumi zamaranda esikhulu esiphethe ezokuhloli bobulelesi uDumisani Khumalo kunye nasolwa nabo basolwa ngamacala wobukhohlakali nokukhwabanisa.
We really hope that this tip of the iceberg would lead to a bigger clean-up process of the senior management of the South African Police Service.
We will welcome the arrest, but indeed, I don't think it's proper.
Amalunga wekomiti eqale indaba zamapholisa nezokuhloli eParliament bathi kufanele athathelwe amagadango aqinileko uLieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo.
Kufuna ukuze emathuneni abo bamkhulu ambalele la nabogogo balawa umndeni wonke wenkosini ula bavalile imayini asikhona ungena ngiyafisa ungena mara sikhona.
Izakhamuzi zehlobane eduze neGrill eMpumalanga zithi zikholekile kwanje kukhandelwa imayini ukuthi zingakhulumi nabokhokho babo. Imayini ibhala ukubavulela nabafuna ukuyokuphahla nokuphetha isinto emathuneni wabo.
The real question is whether we play 3 seamers or 4 seamers and 1 spinner, or 3 seamers and 2 spinners. That's the one.
Isikhama sekhethu secricket siyokubambana neseZimbabwe emidlalweni emibili yetest eyokudlalelwa kwaBulawayo ukuthoma kusasa nge-hour le-10 ekuseni. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba godu ke-SABC1 ngesiNdebele. Lotshani emakhaya. Isikhulu esiphethe ezobuhloli bobulelesi uDumisani Khumalo kunye nabanye abasolwa abahlanu banikelwe ibhayili ye-10,000 ngamunye ekhotho kaMagistrata wePitori. uKhumalo nabasolwa abambalwa babotshwe edoyelweni lemphaphantshini OR Tambo International ngelesine kanti baqalene namacala wobukhohlakali nokukhwabanisa ngendaba yokuqatsha abantu ngokungemthetho. Icala liyokuraga ngenyanga kaRhoboyi.
The court proceeds to give its judgment on the question of whether bail is granted or not. The state has indicated and given reasons why bail is not being opposed in relation to yourselves, accused number 1 to accused number 7. There are no particular problems or reasons for the court not to accede to those reasons that the state has advanced. With minor changes, the court will therefore accede to those reasons that the state has advanced why you should be granted bail or why they are not opposing your release on bail.
Sisaragane ezikaKhumalo indaba ezinye zenhlangano zepolitiki eParliament zifuna sithathelwe amagadango amsinyazana isikhulu sezobuhloli bobulelesi uLieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo ngemva kokubotshwa kwaso. Bathi ukubotshwa kwakhe kuthwaya ilanga libhlungu eSouth Africa. uKhumalo nalabasolwa nabo bavele ngaphambi kwekhotho kaMagistrata ePitori namhlanje bathweswe amacala wokukhwabanisa nobukhohlakali.
Komiti eqale zamapholisa eParliament echeje nobuhloli athi afuna ubulungiswa. Usihlalo wekomiti uAyon Cameron uthi bayakwamukela ukubotshwa kwakaKhumalo nasolwa nabo.
Really that this tip of the iceberg would lead to a bigger clean-up process of the senior management of the South African Police Service. This really is an indictment on the South African Police Service and really leaves the question to us about what is left of integrity in senior structures.
Bakhe ekomitini le bavumelana naye.
But indeed, I don't think it's proper that the matter was escalated to IDEC and IPED. The SAPS itself could have investigated the matter because for me it's a disciplinary matter.
Where does this leave our vulnerable communities exposed to high levels of crime? Again, the trust between South Africans and SAPS is hugely compromised.
he follows in the steps of his former boss, Richard Mdluli, who was also arrested for involving himself in criminal activities.
Kuphe istatement esithi ukubotshwa kwesikhulu lesi kuveza ubukhohlakalo obungaphakathi emkhwandlini yezomthetho yelizweli. Ihlangano le ihlathulule ukubotshwa okhu njengehlazo elikhulu elizweni lekhethu. Inhlangano zepolitiki zithemba ukuthi icaleli lizokuveza amanye godi amacala wekohlakalo enzeka ngaphakathi kwabaholi bamapholisa. uCameron ubawe isisombululo esirhabake eParliamente sokuhlungwa kwamakhono okughabako emapholiseni.
Umsunguli weMayibuye consultation process uFloyd Shivambu umemezele isiqhema esiyokukhamba sibuza abantu bona iyahlogeka ihlangano yepolitiki etjana. Isiqhema sabantu abalithumi sifaka amasekela amabili kunye nesekela lokukhambisa amahlelo. uShivambu ususwe mhlapha njengonobhalazo belele weMK Party akhange athunyelwe eParliamente.
Umdosi phambili wehlelo lesiqhema esiyokukhamba sibuza bona kunehlogeko ihlangano yepolitiki enye iMayibuye consultation team uFloyd Shivambu uthi abantu esebavele ngiphambili bafuna ukuzinikela ehlelweni banengi khulu nehlangano yepolitiki etsha ingatloliswa khona nje.
Number of people that we got to receive as volunteers is adequate to could constitute a full organization as a political movement or political party in South Africa.
uShivambu uthi MK Party ngendlela ingayo khathesi ayithembakala ubone ingaphumelelisa imfuno zamaSouth Africa.
We think that the MK in its current configuration can be a trusted weapon in the hands of the people of South Africa.
Abakhambela umhlangano lo balithokozela ihlelo likaShivambu. Abanye bathi ayivele ihloliswe ihlangano.
Mayibuye represent the most precarious people in our country, the most vulnerable sector. At last, we came out from the Egypt. We came out from the Egypt. We are tired about the politicians saying they want to work with the kings, yet they are lying. People belong to us. We are going to walk with the Mayibuye consultative, but I can see we have party now.
uShivambu ukhocisa amagama ajileko ukuthi umkhulumeli weMK Party uNhlamulo Ndlela ubhema indakamizwa.
Asiqale umbono wakho Mbukeli ngendaba ephelayo le naku uyalandela.
kahle la mzansi sitafuna sinanga ma-political parties lokho kusho ukuthi sonke sitafuna sizivula ama-political parties.
uFloyd Shivambu akabathumela abantu bakhe laba mara inhlangano eziningi kukhulu asathi lesivotele yipi silise yipi
akayicala umsilenhlangano vela seyikhona and asikho singo sangahamba kude abantu ukuthi bayafuna inisibele inhlangano lesha
asikho isidingo seqembelisha leli qembu lakhe ngeke liziphumelele.
Isidingo sokuthi avule elinye iqembu uShivambu mina ngisibona kancane. Yabona nje ingane olahleka ibuyele ekhaya kwi-EFF.
Lana kusemzansi asaleli muntu thina ukuthi avule ihlangano yakhe. South Africa is a free country.
Ngokwethu njengezakhamuzi zaseNingizimu Afrika asayidingi enye inhlangano ngoba ziningi kwalezi ezikhona.
Umbono ke umbukeli SABC ayizukuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono umbukeli.
Abantu babalozo sitshela ukuthi camera ingene emathuneni. Amathuna la ngabo mkhulu. Siyangena la necamera le. Akavulela.
Ukholekile umphakathi ngokukhandelwa abanikazi bemayini ukuthi uyokuphahla emathuneni wabokhokho babo ehlobane eMpumalanga. Zisekhona indaba lapha Mbukeli na usando kungena siyakwamkela kanti uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok na ku X. Asirage nazo. Kuphehuke irawurawu ngesikhathi amalunga omphakathi asilingekileko abekahlala eplasini wehlobani 5 kweKriel eMpumalanga amatshela imayini yendaweni le. Basola imayini le ngokubalela ukungena emathuneni wabokhokho babo ukuthi bayokuphahla bebaphethe nokhunye kwesintu. Amalunga omphakathi la amatshela imayini le asayincwadi yenlilo. Kanti umbiki ndaba we-SABC uComfort Masombuka noSokhemeri Sicelo Hlanula basihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Basilingeke baqedjukela baqobe nabafuna ukungena emathuneni wabokhokho babo namanye amalunga omndeni abo bakhandelwa nabafika la baletha incwadi enililo zabo emayini le loyo thunyele bona azokhulumela imayini ubatshele bona abaphathi bemayini abakho
into yenzakala ke emathuneni imayini le ukufika kwayo lana yavalela amathuna lawa akusekho umuntu ozomane angene aye emathuneni wekhabo kosele bafone babawe ukungena emayini and then manje kungena bokungena emayini ikinga ngoba ungakafoni angekho ungene nakugenzeka kumbe nendawo enye imbobo yokungena uyabotsha batshe trespassing
barage njalo ngokuphikisana
batshele nathi ukuthi ayivala athi kuze ulunge lokho lesikufunako thina sibantu besihlale ehlobani.
Umphakathi uthi wona ufuna ukuvakatshela amazindla ngaphandle kokuphazanyiswa kuphehuka irawurawu ngesikhathi amalunga omphakathi la afuna ukungena ngekani ngejardeni yamathuni engaphakathi kwemayini nanyana kunjalo bakhandelwe bogadi. Kodwana ekuhambeni kwesikhathi bagcine bavunyelwe bona bangene kodwana ngaphandle kwekhemera ye-SABC bekwakateleleka bona izithombe zamathuna zithathwe ngomaliledinini.
Indaba abantu babalozo sitshela ukuthi ikamera ingene emathuneni. Amathuna la ngabo mkhulu bethu. Siyangena la nekamera le. Akavule la.
Ngabelethelwa la ehlobani. Ngabelethwa ngo1955. Khona manje ngifuna ukuze emathuneni abo bamkhulu ambalele la nabogogo bala wami umndeni wonke wenkosini ula. Bavalile imayini asikhona ungena. Ngiyafisa ungena mara sikhoni
nakusenjalo abanye abantu sele bakhulile abasahlala emaplasini labathi basuswe imayini le lapha yageriza imzabo bathathwa bokuhlaliswa emakamrweni wangemva kwendle emqatshweni elokishini eliseduze. Amalunga omphakathi abekela imayini le ama-ira amakhomba nambili bona ibuye nempendulo. Okhulumela imayini le uthula nembula uncancabezile uthembisa ukubuya nempendulo duze nje.
Cala nje iphutha siya-acknowledge ne i-committee was supposed to be acknowledged yabo ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani but I need to take with my team but that ngiyalivuma lelo cala cala ningisithathelele siyaxolisa.
Andizakhamuzi ezisilingekile kwezi zithusela nangelithi zizogcina zikateleleka bonyana imayini le ivalwe nakube inlilo zaba zilalelwa. Endabeni ze-SABC ngikuComfort Masombuka ngikuphakela zona ngisehlobani eMpumalanga.
Umnyango wezombuso ohlanganyela eMpumalanga uba amapholisa ukuthi aphenye ngokubhubha kwesokana eMalahleni. Ungazimbi weminyaka eli-13 ubudala kuthiwa ulile ngokuzwa inhlungu emathunjini. Umndeni uthi bekawelele endaweni zangeVerina. Wabawa ukuthi akafuduselwe eClarinet eduze nakwabo. Kodwa nakhange batshelwe ukuthi uyagula.
Uphuka umoya. Bewaphelelwa mamandla ubongisiwe inkosi ongugogo lomzukulu wakhe olisokana ebelokwe. Kuthi obizwe ngebekliniki yendawo. Wathi nakafika ekliniki apha wathola umzukulu wakhe abhubhile.
Ngibachazela ukuthi umntwana omune isifuba ngeke ayimele intuthi ihlathi ngoba udla i-treatment yesifuba. Bathi hayi banama mainness bona khona ngaphakathi. Mina ngimthole sesesipho sensimbi. Bemkhiphile ehlathini. Bamlethe isipho sensimbi ukuthi mina ngizomthola khona. Mangifika khona isipho sensimbi ngathola umntwana esethulile engasekho emhlabeni. Masifika ngibuza amanesi eclinic bathi umntwana ushone ngo4 abamshoyo akatholanga itransport ukuthi eze bafike eclinic naye engasekho emhlabeni.
Athonyekile amalunga womndeni.
Sicela ijustice lento yenzekile njengoba sishacekile. Na next day ngomisa phuma futhi le negligence le ayiphele ayistop.
Usomkhandlu wezombuso ohlanganyela uSpiri Mashilo uthi kuyaphenywa ngokubhubha kwesokaneli.
Unomntwana lapha shile emalahleni na 13 years bese baphuma labantwana bese lo mntwana uba nema-stomach cramps manje abamphuthumisa le clinic esibhedlela lo mntwana bese washiya. Sicela amaphoyisa kanye abodokotela ukuthi mabasinike i-postmortem sikwazi ukuthola ukuthi kwenzekeni.
Ungazimbi uyongcwatshwa ngoSondo.
Kanesifundeni seMpumalanga abantu abatsha bacwile ngentakamizweni kungakho ke inhlangano ezizijameleko kwaMhlanga zingenela amajima okulwisana nentakamizwa emphakathini lo. Izolo bekuthwaya ilanga lamazwe ngamazwe lokulwisana nentakamizwa.
Ilanga leli namhlanje 16 June lezi ngime alisho lutho ngokuthi ngiyabhema into enkulu ukubhema.
Ivideo leyo yomuntu omutsha wakwaMhlanga osebenzisa indakamizwa ehatshe lapha kwa SABC endabeni zesindebele igege enkundleni zokuthindana ngeveke epheleleko nabekuthwa ilanga labantu abatsha. Umuntu omtsha lo ngomunye wenkulungwana zabaliswana nentakamizwa elizweni elimi. Kanikeze yahlukini zathu ezibenza bagcine sebazinikelele entakamizweni.
Ka gaena mamaka basa ntshware o swana le bana ba bang. Okay, we can understand. Be ke bona kare motho a se motswadi yaka. Tse dilo gore ke tsene nyaope ke tsene ke ditša mohuto.
Isililo sakhe sokufuna isizo sizwakele inhlangano ezijameleko zisikimile ukuthi zisiza ababhemi indakamizwa.
Intapishije ekelapile man ke tenne bophelo bo bontapishije ke nyaka buela bonna bokagiso nna Joseph.
We want to help and reach out to people abazokwazi ukuthi babone isidingo sokuphila ba realize ukuthi kukhona ingcenye abangayidlala emphakathini.
Ukagiso akusuya yedwa ufuna ukulumula indakamizwa.
Uyandlula because of uyabhema. Kube nomuntu othina kandlulile lapho andlule wathatha intoko emzini omunye wena ngoba uyabhema ube ivictim na undlula lapho uthola ukuthi only to find awazi lokho.
Abathengisa indakamizwa babethinala nje kanti ngapha babelethi babantwana ababhema indakamizwa basebenzisa imali eningi ukuthi basiza abantwana babo.
Wachayiswa yilori wephuka inyaweni nosela nenyawo elilodwa nomyeka uba ikinga ukuya phambili lapha kuyabhalela kusikimi kosi ukuthi ngizomthatha la ngengolova ngimbuyisele ekhaya.
Kanengi baberegisa indakamizwa bakhohlwe kuzinakelela bathi nababeregisa indakamizwa bazihlabe ngendektheni mawenza njalo bathelelana ngobulwelwe bentumbandongo.
Kananya nosaraga nje umraro wendakamizwa abanye abazibhemako basesenalo ithemba lokuthi ekugcineni kuza kulunga.
Kezemali ranta lehlile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu.